What's up guys, MCM Fan Collector here. What you're seeing here is the Panama gear driven ceiling fan I've got. This time it's mounted on a stand, it has a white down on it. I tried to do a little bit of a white and brass type thing because I don't have that much brass parts that fit on this thing. But for what it looks like, it's not too bad. This thing, although, is very noisy, but yeah, time to turn on this light kit. It's on some hook mount thing, so here's a light kit. And yeah, I'm gonna go turn the fan on. I need to make sure it doesn't twist though. It's like, honestly, sometimes it does get like loud. That's an example of it twisting. I hate the noises these make. They're so loud. But yeah, you can probably barely hear me because how loud this thing's on. They actually do blow some air though. I'm gonna turn it off. As you can see, it does kind of wobble. Mounting it's on. Oh, what the heck? There's one extremely bent blade. I just saw that. Looks like someone stepped on it. That's sad. I'll never remove the tripod. Can I actually show it? There's spin down. I don't usually do these in my demonstrations, but this one, obviously, it's gonna be fast because it's one of those gear driven. I'm gonna set up my 3D printer, and I'm really hoping this time I can get some brackets that can work on this thing. I am gonna have to get some balsa wood and all that, but what the heck was that? Anyway, hopefully this works. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all later. Bye.